You need a fresh new whip, call do it all. Can I give advice, give a tip, call do it all. He'll have your car looking new when it ain't new at all. Stains, dirt, don't matter cause he do it all. You need a fresh new whip, call do it all. Can I give advice, give a tip, call do it all. He'll have your car looking new when it ain't new at all. Stains, dirt, don't matter cause he do it all.
I was fighting them blankets, them covers this morning. Sheesh. Good morning. It is the first of the month, but it's December 1st, man. We have a maintenance. We're starting off the month strong with one of our very first clients that I've actually ever did when I moved out here to Arizona. Y'all know the deal, man. We're going to get started in maintenance. This TRX Supercharged 2022. Y'all know the deal. I always say that, so y'all know the deal. I'm going to show you guys the befores, the afters, the whole nine. We're going to start with the interior, so let's get to it. Take this out. Go ahead and open this valve. There we go. Ouch.
Yes!
Let's get to work. Look what we got here. 4. Alright, you guys. We're about to finish taking out everything. Push these seats up. Take all his personal belongings out. Let's get to blowing it out. Pause. Feeling some worship music. We'll throw some Maverick City on. We gonna get to work. Now, I'm gonna take me a little snack break. Your boy is hungry. I ain't need a breakfast meal. Here's my second package of these. But that's going to conclude today's video. If you did get any value from this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like, leave a comment, whatever you want to do. I appreciate all the love and support. I love y'all. Put Jesus first. Everything else will follow after. God bless you guys. Peace.
Do it all, do it all, do it all, yeah, do it all, do it all.